Now one more step before we go on to making clubs and things like that would be to make the little zipper parts. Okay, what we do is just take a piece of the dark brown, okay? Just a small piece. I'm gonna roll it into a ball. Then I'm gonna kind of roll it just with the one finger here down so that one end is wider than the other, and then I'm gonna kind of flatten that. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is take this same tip, the number 8, and push in here to make the whole part of the zipper. Okay, like that. Then take a little bit of water on the narrow end and then place it at the end of the zipper here. Now what we're going to do later is we're actually going to paint that gold. And I'll take this tip and just make a little rivet right there. We're going to paint that gold. And with it being brown, the dark chocolate brown, it's going to be easier to paint. If I did it in white, you'd have to make sure you completely covered every edge with the gold paint. This way, it's okay if a little bit of the brown is back in the back. You're not going to see it because it's the same color as the bag. So it's going to save you a little bit on the detail work, a little bit of time. We're going to go ahead and put one more zipper right over here on this side. So I'll show you, do this one more time. Roll it into a ball. Then roll it with one finger here. So it's wider here, narrower here. Flatten that. Place it down here. Approximately this is tip number 8, but it doesn't have to be. It could be anything close. Pick that up. Whoops. Little bit of water. Set it right on there like it's the end of the zipper. Take this for the little kind of ribbon thing. Whoops. And voila. Okay, perfect. All right, so this, it looks like I have my finger mark in there. Okay, the bag part is pretty much done. The only thing that we don't have, we've got this smaller handle here, but we don't have the large strap that they put on to carry it, you know, over their shoulder. The reason we don't have that on yet is because it's actually going to come down here a little bit onto the grass, and we have to put the grass on first before we do that. It's just easier to lay that on top of the grass rather than putting it on and trying to ice around it. So we'll do that in a little bit, but I'm going to put this aside, get some other things out, and show you how to make the accessories, the golf clubs, the golf balls, things of that nature. Okay, so we'll be right back.